Fan guarding begins with a machine-specific risk assessment, not a mesh catalog.
Map rotating blades or wheels, inlet suction, outlet ejection, belts, pulleys, couplings, shafts, hot surfaces, electrical energy, automatic start, coast down, windmilling, and maintenance access.
Consider operators, cleaners, contractors, tools, loose clothing and hair, and foreseeable public access.
Apply the hierarchy of risk reduction.
Inherently safer design, enclosure, and distance come before guards, warnings, or personal protective equipment.
A duct or casing may reduce reach in one configuration, but access doors, removable duct, and service openings can restore exposure.
A label cannot justify a reachable wheel. Legal requirements must be stated in context.
OSHA's United States General Industry Fan Rule addresses blades below a stated height and a specified maximum opening, but it is not a universal global mesh rule and does not end the risk assessment. Product, workplace, ejection, maintenance, and local requirements can demand additional measures. Opening size and safety distance work together. Reach depends on shape, size, distance to the hazard, approach direction, body part, and population. Check reach through, over, around, under, and around cable cutouts or perimeter gaps. Use applicable standard tables, drawings, validated probes, and isolated equipment, never a person's finger or tool against a running fan. Guard every hazard zone separately. An inlet grill does not protect a belt, pulley, coupling, shaft key, or projecting shaft end. Free inlet, free discharge, axial, centrifugal, and duct-connected arrangements have different reach and ejection paths.
Review normal operation and every maintenance configuration, including removed duct sections. Guard strength and retention matter as much as opening geometry.
The frame, mesh, fasteners, and supports must withstand foreseeable contact, suction, pressure, vibration, corrosion, impact, and part or debris ejection without touching the rotor or detaching. Household screen, magnets, zip ties, or improvised thin mesh are not industrial protection.
Choose fixed or interlocked access from the risk assessment. A fixed guard normally needs a tool or controlled fastening.
Frequent access may need a safety-rated interlock, guard locking, diagnostics, and a defined safe stop. An ordinary limit switch is not automatically a safety function, and bypass or diagnostic override requires formal control.
An interlock or stop command is not energy isolation. Fans can coast, restart automatically, windmill from adjacent airflow, retain drive or capacitor energy, and permanent magnet motors can generate voltage.
Cleaning, unjamming, and maintenance require the employer's lockout procedure, verification of every source, and confirm zero energy and zero movement.
Account for stop time and access time.
If a door opens before the rotor stops, residual motion remains reachable.
Guard locking, distance, or verified stopping may be needed. Do not publish one universal waiting time or demonstrate immediate access after shutdown. Use exact machine data and verify the safe state before entry. Include the guard in aerodynamic selection.
Mesh and bars add pressure drop and can distort inlet flow, reduce airflow, raise sound, and shift the fan operating point.
Dust, grease, frost, or damage can increase restriction.
Never remove, cut, space out, or substitute a weaker guard to recover catalog airflow. Select and maintain the complete guarded system.
Hazardous and process applications need additional controls.
Combustible dust, flammable vapor, grease, corrosives, high temperature, and material transport can introduce ignition, accumulation, grounding, fire, explosion, and containment issues.
A clean air guard example cannot authorize those services. Procurement evidence must match the exact product, installation, environment, and jurisdiction.
Finish with installed condition inspection and change control. Check accessibility, opening and distance, perimeter gaps, deformation, corrosion, rubbing, fasteners, labels, interlocks, loto access, drive guards, clearance, clogging, airflow, pressure, current, vibration, and sound.
After maintenance or modification, verify protection and system performance before return to service. One certification mark alone is not compliance.